So you probably figured out by now that your AirTag is scratching super easy, and I'm talking about the back of it since it's made of stainless steel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily remove those scratches, and like this thing gets so shiny that it even removes the Apple logo. I'm not even kidding. This thing is a full-blown mirror. It's crazy. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so if you're one of those people who have a bunch of scratches on your AirTag and you kind of get triggered by it, I'm not sure why, but I know a lot of people are triggered by stuff like that. And today we have a solution. The only thing you would need is this substance right here. And it's this Mother's, I don't know what it is, it's a Mother's mag and aluminum polish. And this is what I used back when the iPhone 10 or iPhone X was my main daily driver, and I had the silver stainless steel version. It had tons of scratches. So this is what I used to remove those scratches. And I thought, hey, maybe this could work on the AirTag, and it for sure did. So as you guys can see, this thing is glistening. It's a full-blown mirror, and that's because I actually went and used a SIM ejector tool and got some deep grooves into it. So this is the SIM ejector tool I use right here, and not a lot of people will have deep grooves. You might have light scratches like this key scratches on it, so you will not like fully get this Apple logo removed. The only reason my Apple logo is removed is because I had to do so much codes, which I didn't even expect. So it's so simple. The first thing I did was obviously took my AirTag out the loop, and then I got everything prepared. Fun fact, if you guys didn't know, you could actually remove the back of the AirTag by just simply holding your two thumbs on the AirTag and rotating it until it pops off, and then you'll see actually the replaceable battery. So after that, you want to get something that you could use to wipe the substance in. Well, I just got a rag. You could get any rag or a microfiber clean cloth, anything of the sort, but for me, I got the rag. Then simply just dip a teeny bit into the mother substance, and then you just want to rub that onto the back of the AirTag until all those scratches are being removed. So this roughly took me around 10 minutes. I was expecting to be finished in like 5 minutes or so, but because I got those deep grooves into it, I had to put in a little bit of extra work. And yeah, as you can see, I was going in. I was rubbing those edges, rubbing those crevices, and this thing came out super shiny. And in order to know if this is working, you'll see some black stains on your rag or microfiber clean cloth. That's when you know you're putting in the work. So yeah, after 15 minutes, this thing was glistening, guys. The only thing you can see is like this outline of the Apple logo. It's like super shiny. And as I said before, I'm assuming if you have light scratches, you'll still retain more of that Apple logo. But for me, nada, it's gone. But look how shiny it is. It is glistening. You could actually use this as a mirror. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Super short and simple. That's how you remove scratches from your AirTag if you're one of those persons who has a pet peeve of scratches on devices. Or you could get like skins to cover it up. I think D-brand sells skins as well. But if you want to, this is another option. And I'll leave the links to this mag aluminum substance down below in the description. You can get them from Amazon or probably your local hardware store or something like that. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.